Okay, so there has been a lot of mistakes on the alignment assignment. So I must not have clearly described what you're supposed to do. So let's go ahead and go through it one more time, and I'll give you another day to get it done. We're already a week behind. On the alignment computer, you're going to input the car that you found on KSL. Nothing exotic. First thing we're going to do is begin alignment, which is K4. Okay, comes up with here. You type in the VIN number of your vehicle. Okay, I'm going to use the car behind me just because I don't have a car on KSL. Okay, VIN number entered, hit OK. And now it brings up everything on the car. Sometimes it will give a warning that it has an alignment computer. You just hit ignore warning or OK. OK would be K4, would be green. Okay, so we are now ready to calibrate the machine. If I was doing a real alignment, I would be calibrating this vehicle by driving it backwards and forwards to move that arrow back and then forward. But because we're doing this by just learning, we're just going to snap these switches. As I'm doing that, it is clearing our car. The first warning we're going to get is that this car was so bad it couldn't drive on the rack. All we're going to do is just hit ignore warning because this is a fake car. The next thing is it wants us to calibrate. And it's telling us that we need to turn the wheel, the steering wheel, until it is in those arrows. To turn the steering wheel, we're going to use these two. And we're going to turn that until these point into the green. So I turned them using my two fingers to do that. Now I'm going to go to the other side. And back to the other. And this one's the hardest one. Okay, there we go. There's my car. The first picture you are going to take after closing this box so we have a full view is this right there. Click. Okay, the next thing on the requirements is what or how do you adjust camber, toe, camber, caster, toe? Just as if we were doing the alignment for reality. You always start in the rear, work to your front. So camber. How do we adjust it? We click on the little wrench. Illustrate adjustment. Manufacturer says there is no way. So I will still take a picture of that to turn in. Next one, toe, illustrate adjustment. There it is, rear toe. Rotate and adjust rear toe. That's all it has to be. That would be my next picture. So far I have 3 photos. Now I go up to the front, camber, wrench, illustrate adjustments, and now here we go. Front camber and caster is all done under one. So I'd have 2 photos of this one setup. So I don't need to do caster because it was already done. And now I'll do toe, illustrate adjustment. Here we go, front toe, gives me the instructions, another photo. Okay, so once again I have the photo of the bad alignment, the photo of how to do the camber, how to do the toe, how to do the camber, which also included caster, and how to do toe on the front. Now our last photo is us adjusting the vehicle. So to adjust the rear camber, it is this little dial right here. So I'm going to bring that in, and then I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to bring my toes to match. Okay, now for the front, which one do I do first? We're going to do camber. That one's in fine. I'm going to do the other camber. I want them to match numerically. I don't too worried about colors. Okay, caster is fine. Now I'm going to do toe. Okay, my car is now aligned. I'll take a photo of that and then submit that onto the Google Slides. Okay, so now I am at my computer or my phone or my Chromebook. We're ready to complete the assignment. So the first thing we're going to do is label out the slides. First slide is always name. Like putting your name on the paper. Makes it easy. There we go. Okay, subtitle. Line. That's our assignment. Very good. First photo was the messed up alignment. Look at that. I've already put the photo in because I did it on my phone. Next one was how to rear camber. Oh, I couldn't adjust it, but I still put a photo there. Next one was rear toe. Can adjust it. Photo with explanation on how to do it. Then we have front camber. Front camber and caster tells us how to do it. Because it asks, what is caster? I just went ahead and just duplicated the same photo and put it on this slide. Front toe. There we go. Okay, and then the completed alignment that I've done. We're done. I've put all the photos on here. Now, how do we submit it? This is where everybody's getting mixed up. It's not hard. I like it this way so I can add comments. Any other way does not allow me to add comments to the slides. You go up to this corner right here where it says share. Click on it. A tab will open, especially if you didn't give it a name. It's going to ask you to name it. Always name it with your name right here. We're going to change this restriction. We're going to go anyone with the link. Copy link. We go to the assignment. And we scroll all the way down. And we go and we turn in. Right here, website URL. Paste said link. Submit assignment. Wondrous. It's done. It's turned in. That's how you do it. Please do it that way. Any other way will be docked major points.